Day 2 of the Comelec trek saw the poll body's officials on the road from Batak to Badok. Again, here's Haji Camino with the details.
From Lawag City to Badok, the Commission on Elections visited every household in Ilocos Norte just to share the voters' education for people who don't know the importance of taking the biometric scan. During the Comelec 3-day walk in Ilocos Norte, they made sure that awareness was given to the Ilocanos. The Waka Waka Information Campaign team, led by Comelec spokesman James Jimenez, believes that the overall campaign in the said province was very successful. As a matter of fact, Jimenez said as a result of the Waka Waka, turnouts for early registration went up.
Ganda ang turnout, no? Kinakausap natin yung mga election officials dito dahil yung iba sa kanila sumasama. Gusto nilang makisali sa Waka Waka. So, habang naglalakad kami, ina-update na rin nila kami tungkol sa mga turnout. And mukhang maganda naman. Like in one town, in one day, they were able to register more than 200, no? So, malaking turnout yan considering na ang pangkaraniwang cut-off ng mga Comelec offices ay nasa 200 lamang. So, because they were able to get that many registrants in a day, mukhang nakikita natin na mukhang magtutuloy-tuloy yan. At the very least, no, for the coming week. But syempre, tuloy-tuloy ang monitoring natin as the days go by.
The campaign did not focus on validation solely, but also on first-time voters, especially. That's why Jasper J. Dawang, a youth leader, did not hesitate to join the walk.
First and foremost, in good governance kasi, you cannot demand good governance from the government if you yourself as a citizen does not do your part. First, this is the first thing that you have to do as a citizen. One of your responsibility is to register to vote, and you have to get your right to suffrage. You have to practice it. Kasi it's in your hands kung sino yung mga iboboto mo. It's in your hands kung sino yung mga manunungkulan eh. At the same time, it's in your hands para may stop mo rin yung corruption because you believe on who you will vote eh. And syempre, we are encouraging the youth and active youth participation. This is what we do. That's why we are participating in this type of activities.
Meanwhile, Dawang also urged the youth.
Ang message ko lang sa kanila is that this is the best thing that they could do, participate in this type of activities so that there will be an active youth participation in their part. And of course, what we could do is advocate for good governance and advocate for, tulad din ng pagsasabi natin, one heart is a majority, one voice is a majority. Tama and dependahan natin kung anong tama.
For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino, Ilocos Sur.